Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to upload a video of Marvel Contest of Champions. It's been quite a while since I've uploaded one of these videos. Just gonna claim my reward for the level up event. Alright, got some 1300 ISO bricks. Awesome. Alright, let's get going guys. Um, I'm gonna actually be doing the daily quest today, as you might have read in the description below. It's the Cosmic Conflict Day, so you know what that means. Alright, we're gonna choose the hard one because the one easy and medium is like extremely easy. So let's spice it up a bit. I recently got a Majik. She's a pretty good champion. I've played with her and she's pretty good, man. She's an interesting champion. Alright, I think I'm gonna, yeah, I recently also got Captain Marvel. She's also a pretty good one. But I'm gonna be referring to her as Captain Sparkles, as everybody else also calls her. Alright, let's start this quest, man. Alright, so the first thing we have is Angela. Awesome. Let's get to it, man. Alright, let's put Majik to use. I mean, let's check it out, man, how she does in a fight. Alright. Should get loading any minute now. Alright. So Angela is a pretty cool champion too. I really want her in my team. I would love to add her to my roster. But yeah, I think it's gonna take some time. Oh man, I'm dealing some critical damage here. Awesome. Yeah, so that's she, and whenever she does that, she activates a thing called Limbo. And that's pretty cool, man. It's a pretty cool buff. Good. Alright. Another thing you see with Angela is she regenerates like wow amount of health. So every critical hit for her, she regenerates a full bar. But you have to keep moving so that she doesn't ever get onto a full health again. Alright, up next we have Corvus Glaive. Oh, okay. I'm gonna just skip that. Show you Venom the Duck, guys. So Venom the Duck is a new addition to the contest, as you guys might have noticed. He's pretty good, though he's a bit slow, you know. And this champion really needs a buff. Because, yeah, he's not that great. Alright. Another one bites the dust. Got some ISO bricks there. Alright, final fight with Carnage. I think I'm gonna get my Phoenix into the battle for this. Awesome. So, if you have seen my previous videos, you already know that my best champion till now is Phoenix. I haven't got my first 5-star yet, but I'm on the way there, guys. I'm already on 5,000 shards. So, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys will get to know the first when my new video comes out. Alright, now let's just get Carnage. Another great champion for this for my roster would be Carnage. He's pretty cool. He's got some really good buffs, and I think he has some pretty cool synergies also. Alright, let's get our rewards. It's a 50% exploration, so I should get some pretty juicy rewards, man. That's it? Oh, well, cool. Okay, we're close to forming our first tier 3 catalyst. Got some alliance crystals, popping them open. Got some cool stuff. Alright, let's upgrade Captain Marvel. Actually, no, wait, I've got some Mystic ISO bricks, so I'll get Majik up. Max selection. Could it be more? Yeah, okay. I think that's pretty much it. Let's rank her up. I'm not thinking much because Majik's a really good champion, and yeah, she's totally worth ranking up, guys. If you guys have a Majik or any other really good champions like Phoenix or Miss Marvel Kamala Khan, I will totally recommend leveling them up. Also, today is the day I give you guys my favorite accounts tour. So as you can see, I have 0 6 stars, 0 5 stars, and I've got a couple of 4 stars. So I've got about 14 of them, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Plus, if you see, my main roster is skill champions and cosmic champions. So on the top it's skill because I have about 4 skill champions and some quite a bit of cosmic too. Captain Marvel, Venom, Miss Marvel, and Phoenix. I need some tier 4 ISO bricks. Alright, let me show you my best champion, Phoenix. So I need to get her ability awakened right of the Phoenix because that gives her mad bonuses, man. Every time she activates right of the Phoenix, she gets a full bar regeneration and she's unstoppable then. Alright, she's got synergies with Wolverine and Cyclops, the blue team one. Nightcrawler, Beast. Beast is also a really good champion. He's totally the one I want as my first 5 star. After which I would like Aegon because he's also a really good champion. And yeah, I think those are my first main 2 champions on my head right now. These are her special attacks. She's got a telekinetic blast, cosmic firestorm, and 2 avatar Phoenix. So yeah, I guess she's a pretty cool champion. Now I'll show you some of my 3 stars. I've got it starts with Nightcrawler, Night Thrasher, Doctor Octopus, Elsa Bloodstone, and of course our favorite Nick Fury. So Nick Fury is I think a rank 2 level 20. Elsa is also rank 2 level 20. Doc Ock is rank 3 because he's a really good champion. He gives me mad buffs and his rating you can see. I'll just show you the 2 stars also. I've got quite a bit of 2 stars. I've maxed out 2 of them. Guillotine 2099, Guillotine and Winter Soldier. She has synergy bonus with Captain America, World War II, and Venom. And now over to Winter Soldier. He also probably has a synergy with Captain America, if I'm not wrong, and Wolverine. So yeah, he's pretty cool. He's a pretty good champion. He's also a bacon. I got Venom the Duck 2 star. His ability is also awakened. Let's check out his synergies, guys. I wonder what synergies he's got. Alright, let me just show you his abilities first. He's a pretty cool champion. He's really good. He's got synergies with Venom Pool, Carnage, Agent Venom, Spidey Symbiote, Domino, and Groot. Then I also got some Warlock, Hulk Ragnarok, Red Goblin, all of these new champions, because if you have played the Punishing Arena, you will see that they gave the 2-star crystal, which is a special crystal. It's not found in they have the champions which are not found in premium hero crystals or the normal 2 stars. So I will totally recommend grinding in the Punishing Arena. It is totally worth it. You'll also get some monsters and hunters crystal shards. I've almost completed my 1-star roster. Yeah, got Colossus, Gamora, Wolverine, Hulk, Black Panther, Juggernaut, Scarlet Witch, and Iron Man. Gonna get Deadpool soon enough, I hope. Couple of my science champions. not many to not many left to get now. Skill 2, I think I have only a few left. I would really love Ronin and Black Widow Deadly Origins. Spidey Stealth Suit is one of the best champions available. Thanos the Champion, Vision Arcus, Airwalker, all of these champions are legends. So if you have them, I would totally recommend ranking them up and maxing them out because they're totally worth the struggle, guys. I'm pushing you because they are really worth the struggle. So if you have them, you are extremely lucky, and I will soon get them too, and I will show you how they are. So yeah, I think that's pretty much my roster, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on my next video.